Hey, this is Nick, the Cape Cod Gardener. I want to show you how quick and easy it is to pot up some tomato seedlings. They're about 4 inches right now. They're just about getting their true leaves. So I gave you the courtesy of kind of prepping some stuff to make this easy. It's more of a update / how-to video. So here you'll just take these and you'll just tease them apart. Real easy, just kind of soil just kind of crumbles in your fingers because it's a really light seedling mix that I made myself. If you have any questions, I'll give you the blend. What I did here is I took a little seedling here, nice little root system, thumb size hole in a 3.5 inch pot. You just take the seedling, drop it on the hole, get the root system in there, push it down, and firm it up. You can kind of bury them a little bit. They have fibrous roots on them, so everywhere you see those little hairs, they're gonna get some nice root mass. So I'll firm them up. And then I'll show you here, I got 10 of them, how quick it is, one-handed. And you just drop them in, push that root mass in, firm them up, and I'll do the final after. Tomato seedlings are pretty resilient, so don't be afraid. Like I said, the deeper you plant them, if they're a little leggy, you can plant them a little deeper, and then everywhere you see those little fibrous hairs are going to be new roots. This is a light mix. I didn't go too heavy with the feeding because it's still kind of early. I would have liked to wait a little longer, but I'm running out of space, so I kind of want to get these potted up soon and organized. So I did the dense seeding method. You can see I got quite a bit of each variety, about 20 seeds per variety. Just about done here. So if you like these how-to videos, let me know. Please like, subscribe. You know the business. Appreciate it. Doesn't take much. I think often people are kind of scared of this stuff, but you just got to dig in and do it. These things are used to growing in the wild, so don't be afraid to be a little vigilant. All right, guys, thanks for watching.